Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I did this super easy prom glam. I know prom is right around the corner, so I thought it would be a perfect time to get creative and do a look for you. Get creative and do a look for you guys. Yeah, if you want to learn how to get this super easy prom look, keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I do have a video showing step by step how I do my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. The first shade I'm going to take is this burnt orange. And I'm going to take that on the outside and blend it lightly into the crease, but focusing it more on the outside and blending it up. Just like that. Now I'm going in with the shade Rustic, and I'm focusing that shade right on the outside. It definitely makes the look more like dramatic and smoky. I love it. And those are literally the only two matte eyeshadows we're gonna use. I want to keep this really simple. So now I'm gonna take the shade Fairy, and I'm just pressing this onto the front of my lid. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Glue and Tash Cosmetics Shimmer Pigment in What's Up Glow. And I'm just patting the glitter glue, literally just with my finger. And I'm just patting that pigment right onto the lid. How pretty. You guys, and I'm literally using my fingers. Like, you don't even need a specific brush or anything for this. So now moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Arceli Beauty liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to use this right on the lid. And I'm not doing a wing on this look because, like I said, I want to keep it super simple but super cute. So now that the top liner is done, I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Noir eyeshadow and blending this in with the liner. Next, I'm going to take these lashes from Arceli Beauty in Letty. The glue that I use is Star Glue. You can find it at any beauty supply for like $3 or $4. And it's definitely my favorite. Look at how pretty. Now I'm going to be priming with the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. This primer just makes your skin feel so amazing. I also need to make a new skincare routine for you guys because my skincare routine has changed like crazy. Taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory Nude. And I barely started using it. It's okay if I look like a ghost right now, because it's going to change in a little bit. Now I'm going in with the Morphe concealer. You guys, I have been so obsessed with this concealer. The coverage of this concealer is bomb. And it's so affordable. I've been using this Urban Decay sponge and I love it. It's literally so soft. I'm obsessed. Y'all, look at this coverage. Go get y'all some Morphe concealer. Now I'm going in with the Morphe setting powder. I'm just gonna set everything. This powder just makes my skin look so smooth. Going in with the Too Faced Natural Lust bronzer. So it's a bronzer and a highlighter, but I literally just mix the two. This has been my favorite bronzer recently. Now I'm going in with this Milani blush in Rose de Oro. And I love it because it's like a bronzy blush, if that makes sense. For highlighter, I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in Cocoa Bling. So before I apply it, I'm just going to spray the Smashbox primer water. Wow. And since this is a prom makeup look, y'all know you gotta go in with the highlighter. So the shadows I used on my lid, I'm just taking them right below my bottom lashes. And it really just completes the look. Now I'm taking my favorite mascara, the Lancome Grandiose mascara. The brush on this makes it so easy to get into every single little eyelash. So you guys, the face, the eyes are done. To finish off the look, if you want to be extra, you can do like a bold red lip. You can do like a maroon burgundy lip. But I gotta go to work after this, so I'm probably just gonna do a nude. So I'm using the MAC lip liner in Strip Down. Now I'm gonna be taking this CoverGirl, what is this? This CoverGirl lip gloss in Nudist Dream. This is like the perfect nude gloss. I like to go in with my finger and blend it in with the lip liner. And that is literally it, you guys. Super easy prom glam. I honestly love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I love y'all so much and I'm so grateful for your support. But yeah, that's all for this time. I'll see you guys in the next video.